In today's video, I am going to teach you how to draft email like Kit. By the end, you will know how to create a new broadcast email. Choose a template, write your subject line and message, and save your draft so it is ready for review or sending later. First, make sure you are logged in and looking at your main dashboard. On the left side of the screen, you will see the sidebar navigation. Find and click Send. This is the area where you manage outgoing emails, including one-time messages you send to your audience. After you click Send, look for the option called Broadcasts and click it. Broadcasts are typically used for single emails like announcements, weekly updates, promotions, or timely reminders. This section keeps your broadcast drafts and sent broadcasts organized in one place, which makes it easier to track what you have created. Now you are ready to start a new message. Click the button that says Plus New Broadcast. This begins the setup for a fresh broadcast draft. Take a moment to confirm you are creating a broadcast, not an automated sequence, because broadcasts are meant for one-off sends. Next, select your template. Templates control the layout and styling of your email. Choose the one that matches the kind of message you are sending. A simpler template is usually best when you want your email to feel personal and easy to read. A more designed template can be useful when you need clear sections or a more branded look. Once you select a template, it will load into the editor so you can start writing. Then enter your subject line and your content. Your subject line should be clear and specific, so readers immediately understand what the email is about. Keep it concise and aligned with the first sentence of your email, since that helps with consistency. For the content itself, write in short paragraphs, use plain language, and stay focused on one main idea. If you include links, make sure the surrounding text explains what the link is for, so it is obvious what the reader will get when they click. When you are done drafting, click Save in the top right. Saving locks in your work so you can come back later, make edits, or prepare to send when you are ready. That covers everything you need to know.